Morning everyone, so it is Wednesday the 6th of May and this is your phonics lesson. So instead of the 4 words I gave you on Monday and Tuesday, I'm just going to give you 2 words. They're quite tricky, so see if you can give it a try. So the 2 words are mystery and adventure. Now I know that some of you have written the word adventure in your writing, especially as we're talking about pirates. So see if you can spell the word mystery and adventure. Okay, so I'm going to give them a try. First word is mystery. Oh, already wrong. There we go. Mystery. Okay, so it's a bit of an interesting word because it's got the word my in it, but it doesn't make the sound my. So it's mystery, and it's not an I sound, it's the Y that makes that I. Okay, so that's mystery. And then we've got adventure. Now adventure is a polysyllabic word, so if I count it out, adventure, there's 3 syllables. So I'm going to break up my spelling into 3 parts. So the word is adventure. Adventure. Now this bit also tries to trick you because it sounds like it should be a ch sound, but it's the T. So T on its own, adventure. Okay, so those are our 2 words and we're going to see if you can remember how to spell them tomorrow. Okay, moving on to the learning of the day. So we're going to recap 2 words that even adults find difficult. Don't tell them. So these 2 words are there and there. I'm going to write them on the board. Okay, now the reason that adults find it difficult, let alone children, is because they sound the same, but they're not spelt the same. And they also mean 2 different things, okay? So these are homophones, and we've learned about homophones before. So we're going to do these ones today, and they are really tricky to remember, but we're going to give it a try. So this one, there, is if there's a direction. Okay, so think of it as over there, that's this one. Now this one is when it belongs to somebody. Okay, so I'm going to do an arrow down. Now you might want to write these with the little pictures, the little arrows on your piece of paper somewhere. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write some sentences on the board. And you've got to think about which one needs to go in the sentence. Okay, so the first sentence is, and you might want to write this down afterwards. First sentence is, I went. And then there's going to be one of those words. I went there last night. Okay, bit of a random sentence, but that's it. I went there last night. So look at these 2 words. Which one do you think needs to go in this sentence for it to be a correct one? Okay, next sentence is going to be, their dog is poorly. Their dog is poorly. So think about which one needs to go into this sentence for it to make sense. Their dog is poorly. Okay, third sentence. I like their new car. And the last sentence is a question. Oh, I nearly spelt the word then. That wouldn't have been good, would it? Are there any biscuits left? Probably the best question to ask. Okay, so here are our sentences, and we need to put there or there into these sentences. So if you want to pause, and then you can see which one needs to go in, and then we'll do it all together. Okay, so I went there last night. Now that sounds like it's a direction, so it's this one. I went there last night. Then next sentence, their dog is poorly. Now that sounds like it belongs to someone, so it's this one. But I need to put a capital letter at the top of that one. Their dog is poorly. The dog belongs to them, so it's their dog. I like their new car. Again, sounds like it belongs to them, doesn't it? So it's their new car, so it's this one, belongs to. And the last sentence, are there any biscuits left? The biscuits, they sound like they belong to somebody, don't they? But in this sentence, it's actually this type of there. Okay, so it's a bit of a tricky one. There we go. So what I suggest is after this, you might be able to go on a Top Marks spelling activity game, or maybe BBC Bite Size might do some extra help on there and there, because it's really important that we remember how to do it, especially when we do lots of lovely writing in our English about pirates. Okay, so thank you very much. See you tomorrow.